Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox mini Hanna from Ruby Red Fashion Friends. I got her from Pop in the Doll Shop, and I had her at home for a couple of weeks already, but I didn't get to unboxing, so let's get started. I already cut the tape, but I haven't unwrapped anything else yet. So this is the bag in which it comes. The design of the bag is similar to that of Mini Sarah. So it opens and closes with a zipper. Here is her folder, COA, I guess, and here is her outfit, and then we have her wig, shoes. They are pink. That's a bit different from the shoes from the original, the big Hanna. But it's very cute. Here is her wig cap. Here is the strap which you can put on the bag. So, and here she is. She's safely strapped in the bag. So you can probably see. Let me see. Yes, you can see it like this. So, okay, my setup is a bit different because I'm on holidays at the moment, but I really wanted to mini Hanna along, and so doing the unboxing right now. So, and she's really so cute. She's adorable. Let me see. It's a bit tight here. Here she is. Let's take off the face protection. So have a look at her little face. She's really cute. Now hopefully I can manage to get this off easily, because as I said before, I'm on holiday, so it's a bit harder to open up tape and etc. because I don't have scissors with me. So, but I do have a nail clipper here, and that might possibly be enough. Let me have a look. Yes, here is the opening. Oh, oops. There we go. Let me see. There we go. See if we can get this off her feet just like this. Yes, that's right. Okay, here we go. So she's got cute little panties. Let's put this here. She's got a lot of points of articulation. As you can see, her shoulder joints are ball joints like this, so you can put her arms in nearly every direction. Then she has double jointed elbows, so as you can see, she can touch her face. She also has a wrist joint and joint at the neck, of course. She has a joint at the chest. She's got hip joints which are also ball joints like this, so she can also move her legs in many directions, double jointed knees again, and then she's got her ankle joint. So that's a lot of articulation for a small doll. She's 8-inch, I think. And she's really so cute. So let's have a look at her outfit. So I don't know how many of you already have the big Hanna, so to say. Her shoes were a very light pink, almost white. But shoes from Mini Hanna are really pink, so to say. So here they are. They also have the little stars on the side. Let me see. Can you see it like this? Hopefully. So the rest of her outfit is very similar to what the large version has. So she has these net tights. Let's put them on. I hope you can see what I'm doing, because I can't see what I'm filming right now. But that's okay. I can always edit. So here we go. So those are her tights. And then we have her jean shorts. Very cute, by the way. So that's like this. It's a bit bulky on the closure, but that's to be expected, as it's really jeans fabric. So, but it's very cute. Then we have the top. It's very similar to the original one. So her outfit is very cute and summery. I really like that. Let me have a look. Yes, right, like this, I think. And so when the weather is a bit colder, she can also wear her jeans jacket. Let me have a look. Let me have a look at the closure. Oh yes, right, like this. You can just pull it over the knot. So, and this is the inside of the jacket for those who are interested in that. So, like this. Now let's put on her shoes. Let's see if I can just slip in her feet or if I have to untie and retie. Because it's a bit easier if I don't have to do that. So, yes, just like this. Okay, so let's get on with it. Hopefully I didn't do that all for nothing. So here we've got the wig cap. Let's get it out. Oh, wait. Yeah, I guess a bit like this. It's a bit wonky like this. I guess this is okay. So let's have a look at her wig. Ah, yes, it's really cute. Look at that. She's so good, cute, you guys. Let's get that wig on. Ah, she really is the cutest. So that's Hanna, and I really like her. Look how cute she is. So let's have a look at the little booklet. So you can let's see. You can see the big Hanna and mini Hanna together there, and oh, this is the number of my Hanna, and there's a story about that she's the 5th anniversary doll. So that's the COA. Really cute. So, well, I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I will be able to post some more content soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.